I hear some love for the Mirage? All right, I'm gonna get started. My name is Coach Sway, okay? Really, it's Schwartz and Purcell. I've been a motivational speaker for about 6 years.
I think the message was very powerful.
Do you believe in you? There's an aspect of belief that comes when you overcome an obstacle, when you overcome a breakup, right? When you overcome your coach cutting you from a team, when you overcome failing a grade, when you overcome those things, you become a champion. That's how champions are born.
Right? And so you don't have to be the best today, right? But your job, the only job that you have, right, is to be better than who you were yesterday. That's it.
I was happily surprised. I think at the end, when a lot of them came down to meet him, it demonstrated to me that it was actually impactful for them. So I thought that was very valuable, and the kids were impressed. Something that stood out for me for the athletes today was their enthusiasm. A lot of the kids participated, and I think that was very, very high energy, right? When the kids went out to do the squats, and they were willing to do it. So I love that high energy from the kids.
You're a leader in training. Each and every person here, man, woman, child, no matter where you come from, you're a leader.
When you go home, you gotta look at yourself in the mirror and be like, do I believe that? Right? Do I believe that? That's gonna be super important. Do I believe that I can succeed?
That, ladies and gentlemen, is the conclusion of the Hero Leadership Tour.